just a little video that I'm putting together with some tips and tricks for under lashes. I've lost track of the amount of people that tell me that the lashes aren't lasting and they're falling off within 24 hours. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for applying under lashes. First and foremost is preparation. If you don't clean your lashes properly, they're not going to last. You need to get rid of all the dirt and oils off your lashes before application. You can do this by simply using an oil-free makeup cleaner. This is going to give you the best base for your lashes and help with longevity. Secondly is the application. When you're placing your lashes, you want to ensure that you're placing them just above the waterline. A little goes a long way, and a lot of people struggle with applying the lashes and they say that the lashes are getting stuck on the tweezers a lot of the time. If the lashes are sticking to the end of the tweezers, you're going to struggle. So if you do get any tackiness on your tweezers, take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol or makeup cleaner, clean the end of your tweezers off and carry on. So once you've applied your lashes, the next step is to clamp them. You can either do this by using your lash applicator clamping tool or you can use eyelash curlers. The next and most important step for longevity and to reduce any stickiness is your seal. So you'll find that despite what brand you're using, you usually get a bond and a seal. You'll either get them separately in two separate bottles or some of them come dual-ended like this. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. What a lot of people do and what's on the instructions is to put your seal underneath your lash here. You do want to do that step, however what you also need to do is also apply your seal above the lash. This is going to eliminate all of that tacky, sticky residue. People use the sealant, they just put it underneath and they're still having issues with tacky residue. Their eyelashes are sticking to their eyelids in the middle of the night, and that is purely because you're not putting the seal on top of your lashes as well. As you can see, the lashes that I'm wearing at the minute aren't sticky at all. I can press them onto my top lid, they don't stick. I can press them onto the bottom, they don't stick. And these lashes will last me for a week at least. So as long as you're prepping the lashes properly, applying the lashes correctly, clamping and sealing, you will not have an issue with them. I hope that this video does help you guys because I know that a lot of you have come to me and had issues with stickiness and longevity. So I do hope that this video has helped. Do let me know how you get on after trying these tips.